know that I'm opening it. Open it.
Release the gins, my girl.
What? It's not opening.
It will here, I'll give you a hand.
It's too hard.
Okay, the door is open. Donnie's sniffing for freedom. Here's at the ramp, ready to run back up. Oh, hang on, have we got a tiger? Donnie's thinking, is this real? See you, Don. See you, Tuft. And off to have a romp in the garden, the bulls. Have fun, my lads. We got some escaped gins. There they are. What have we here? A little Tufty and Hairy. And there's little Donnie's son. They're in their element. They're free. Oi. There we go.
That's going to have a little bit of a run around.
And we've got over here the chooks. They're definitely hoping one of these little gins decide to end up in their yard. Hey, Specs. Some good times in the garden here.
And there's a Tufty there.
Let's have a look, Tilda. There's Tufty.
There.
There he is. Look at these boys. They're loving life. Look at him, eh?
Yes, they are.
They are loving life in here. Donnie, feed all me weeds, lads. Alright. We might just go and have a little other look around. Where's the Hairy? Hairy's at the back. She's scared still.
Yeah, we're just letting them have a bit of a run.
Where are the boys? My boys. My boys. Little Donnie in his natural element. Are you boys eating me strawberries?
Yes.
Donnie? Oh, it's gonna be a bit of a wild go at trying to get these boys back in their cage. They know. They're wondering what's going on. Run, Donnie, run, run. Run, Tufty, son. Tufty boy! Oh, it's a wild run. It's a wild back run yard here. Brown, brown, you wild gap.
Brown, brown, brown.
There's all the chicks. There's all the chicks. Cautiously waiting at the back there. That's our rooster. Long tail. Top top. That was the chick that was top top. Oh, it was a rooster.